Hi guys, welcome to this brand new video again. It's Camilus Dobli here again with another brand new video. So before we get into the video, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel here, turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop a new video you are going to be informed. Alright, and then leave a thumbs up to this video, comment in the description. Let's get that free money and share this video with your friends. So on today's video we will be looking at an app that you can use to make passive income with it online. Okay, so from this app, this is it here. So to go to this website, you can easily click on the link in the description of this video. Now it will bring to this interface. So from here you can see passive income effortlessly. So you are not going to be doing anything, like literally doing nothing. So with honeygains you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So if you go to my dashboard, this is it here. You can see that as of today so far I have been able to make $7. Okay, so from this, so just today alone, from the time I installed this, which was 2 days ago, testing it out, you can see that I have made $3 today. And you can see the spike as I am talking to you. Today is the 8th of April. So I tested on the 6th, on the 7th. Yesterday I never tested it. Now today I've just tried it out, so it is working, guys. And you can see from here, you can see that this has more than 6,000 reviews on Trustpilot alone. And Trustpilot is a system whereby it rates different sites on how best they are. So you can see you can have $5 just by signing up. So if you click on the link below and you sign up, you are going to get $5 just from sign up, but you won't be able to withdraw the $5, but you can withdraw a threshold of $20. So you just need $15 after the $5 for you to be able to withdraw. So if you come here, easy way to earn passive income. So start earning with honeygains and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free to play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. How sweet is that? So, and without compromising security. Now honeygains ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. So you can go ahead to read more here. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using honeygains, your device acts like view towers and help world famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location based restriction or censorship. You can read more here. Now estimate your earnings rather. Your earnings directly depends on the amount of traffic you share with honeygains network. The more you share, the more you earn. So as you can see, with 3 devices, which it can be your 2 Android phones with your laptop or your PC with your 2 Android phones, you can make up to $55 in a month. As a Cameroonian, you know this is a good money. Some people work in Cameroon that their salary is $30 in a month. That's 15k for those of you who are Cameroonians. So you can see from here, you can estimate here, you can have $19, which is like 10k monthly, and you can estimate your earnings here, 4 devices. All right, so all you need to do is, if you have a mother in the house, you can just download the app, like download honeygain. You can download the app and install it to their phone. All you need to do is just to be browsing normally. They don't need to do anything again. As they are browsing, it shows that they are browsing under your login credentials. So from there, all this money will be accumulating, showing that you have 10 devices, and all as they're browsing every day, be it on WhatsApp or whatsoever, honeygains is going to be paying you. Okay, so factors that influences how much you earn. You can see your location. Your earnings depends on the traffic demand required for our business client, as well as the number of users in your area. The number of IP addresses. IP addresses, so like when you're looking from one phone, it has its own unique IP address. All right, you're looking for another phone, it has another unique IP address. That is what differentiates phones from each other or differentiate PC from each other. The more IP addresses your devices are connected to, the more you can earn, just like I already explained to you. Network ping and speeds. Okay, so 5 steps to honeygain. First thing is set it up. Honeygains can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac OS or Android device with a stable internet connection. One honeygain, once active, honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data, which is sweet. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Get paid. Alright, so from here, users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in paper, Bitcoin, which is BTC, or GMPT. So if you don't have a paper account, I made a video about how to create a paper account, a working paper account to receive money. It will be showing somewhere right up here, so just check it. If you haven't created your paper account, go watch that video and create your paper account. So if you don't have a Bitcoin account or a Bitcoin wallet, I'll be making a video on that. So if we go down again, it's ready to make money, you can download it here. So this is it, guys. So as you can see in my account, as I am browsing, the figure is increasing. All right, the figure is changing. If you go back, you could see that it wasn't at this amount. So as I am browsing, the figure is changing. Now don't be afraid about anything. The reason that you are being paid is because as you browse every day, companies out there want to know how people react with what they see online from your environment. So it's just like browsing through the internet through your lenses, through your phone. Okay, so that's just it. All your personal details are secured, but be rest assured, this is not a sure way to make big income online. If you really want to make real money online, like $1,000 in a month, which is about 500k in Cameroon money, then you should glue to this channel, because I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to make money online and the ways that have worked for me over these past 3 years. Okay, so once again, before I leave, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, share the video, and if you need any other thing you like for me to make videos on, please leave it on the comment section so that I can make a video on that as soon as possible. So see you